Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is hard G sound. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objective for this lesson is to read words with hard G sound. Let's start. Now, my lovely students, look at this picture. This is big, big, big. The second picture, what is this? Excellent. Mug, mug, mug. Frog, frog, frog. Goal, goal, goal. Gift, gift, gift. Girl, girl, girl. Big, mug, frog, goal, gift, and girl. Now, my lovely students, letter G with A, O, or U. Let's read the following words. Look at this picture. Gate, gate, gate. The second one. Gum, gum, gum. Letter G with U and gum, gum. And the last one, goose, goose, goose. Gate, gum, goose. Now, my lovely students, letter G with L. Look at this picture. Glasses, glasses, glasses. The second one, glass, glass, glass. And the last one, gloves, gloves, gloves. Glasses, glass, gloves. Letter G plus R. For example, grapes, grapes, grapes. G plus G, double G. For example, egg, egg, egg. Letter G with H. For example, ghost, ghost, ghost. Grapes, egg, ghost. GUE. For example, tongue, tongue. My lovely students, this is all for today. I want from you to solve the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you and goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.